Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see best Java tutorial and courses. So Java is a class-based object-oriented programming language. Java applications are typically compiled to a bytecode and can run on any JVM. So the file extension of Java is .java. It is designed by James Gosling. Developer is Oracle Corporation. So in this video we are going to see top 5 Java tutorial and courses which will help you to learn Java, which will help you to create project, which will help you to earn certification. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. The first course that I'm going to suggest is Java Fundamental, the core platform. The course provider is a Pluralsight. The course author is Jim Wilson. The course level is a beginner level. The last update on this course is July 21, 2016. The duration is at approximately 8 hours. As you can see, the last update on this course on 2016. So material is quite obsolete. You will not find a new material of Java. Now through this course you will learn about working with streams, files and file system. You will also learn the IO topics specific to working with files, some open closing files and end of the files. Next you will learn to configure the application execution environment, and finally you will learn multi-threading and concurrency. You can also watch a preview video over here. You can start your 10 days free trial with Pluralsight. You can sign up and give your details to Pluralsight. Then you can start learning this course and you will get 10 days free trial. After that you can decide if you want to enroll in this course or not. Through this course you will learn Java basics, you will get certification. You will not create any project in this. So if you want to become an enthusiastic Java developer and want to create many projects in Java, then I think this course is not for you, because this will give you certification and basic learning of Java. The second course that I'm going to suggest is Java Programming Masterclass for Software Developers. The course providers is Udemy. Almost 5,58,659 students has already enrolled in this course. The course created by a team. The last update on this course is in March 2021 only. So this is the latest course. Will get you each and every update regarding the Java. The course includes 80 hours of on-demand video, 3 articles, 1 downloadable resources, 52 coding exercise. You will get full lifetime access of this course. You can access this course over mobile and TV, and you will get certification after completion. So in this course, this is a bestseller course of Udemy, which will give you a learning of Java. You will get a certification also. Through this course you will learn the core Java skill. You will able to demonstrate your understanding to the Java for a future employer. You will be able to sit and pass an Oracle Java certification exam, learn industry best practices in Java software development. Each and every topic of Java will be cleared in this course. You can see the course material over here. You can see each and every topic is covered in this course. This is the overall course that I'm going to suggest, as the last update on this course is in March only. So I think this is the best course for you. If you want the link of this course, I will put the link in the description box below. The third course that I'm going to suggest is Learn Java by Code Academy. Almost 23,60,524 people has already enrolled in this course. Time to complete this course is 25 hours. No prerequisite required for that. If you want certification, then you have to enroll in their pro plan. If you want to create project, then you have to enroll in their pro plan. You will create a portfolio project that showcase your new skills, and you will master many things. Through this course you will learn hello world, variable, object-oriented Java, conditional, control flow, array and array list. So this is also an overall course where you will get learning, you will get certification, you will create a project. But the certification and project you will only get when you enroll in the pro plan. So I think this is a course, and this is a free course. You can start your learning. If you don't want to pay money and you don't want certification, you don't want to create a project, then I think this is a course is just best for you, because all the videos of this course are absolutely free. You can sign up to Code Academy and you can watch all the videos absolutely free. So this is the third course that I'm going to suggest. I will put the link of this course in the description box. The fourth course that I'm going to suggest is Object-Oriented Programming in Java Specialization. The course provider is Coursera. almost 67,104 users has already enrolled in this course. The course is a 100% online course. You can flexibly schedule yours by yourself. The course is a beginner level, approximately take 5 months to complete. Coursera suggests a pace of 6 hours per week. The course language is English and subtitles present in various languages, as you can see over here. Through this course, you will gain a skill of data structure, hash table, Java programming, object-oriented programming, algorithm, problem solving, string, and many more. And you can see all the skills that you will gain over here. So through this course, there are 4 courses in this specialization: Java programming, ARList, data structure, object-oriented programming in Java, data structure and performance. Through this course, you will learn overall concepts of Java. You will get certification. You will also create a project, also applied learning project. You can see the information of the project over here, what project you want to create in Java. So this is also an overall course that I'm going to suggest. Just go through this at least once. You can also apply the financial aid available. If you don't have money, and you will get certification, you will create project. The course offered by Duck University of California. So I will suggest you to that go through this course, because through this course you will learn basic, intermediate and advanced Java. You will get certification. The course is a beginner level. You don't require any knowledge prior to this. If you want the link, I will put the link in the description box below. The 5th course that I'm going to suggest is the Java tutorial that is provided by Java T-Point. This is one of the best tutorial is in the market right now of Java. If you have no money, if you don't want certification, if you don't want to create project, if you want to learn Java through blogs, then I think this is the best material in the market right now. It will cover each and every concept of Java. It will give you the immense amount of knowledge. It will clear your each and every concepts of Java. As you can see in the left sidebar, each and every topic is covered in the form of blogs. This is, as your name suggests, Java T-Point. It is one of the best website is currently in the market. So I will suggest you to go through this website at least once. It will give you a knowledge, and it will give you, if you are a beginner, if you have no knowledge regarding Java, and you will get an immense amount of knowledge from here. So I will suggest you to go through this website at least once. I will put the link of this website in the description box below. So this is all about the best Java tutorial and courses. If you want the link of this article that I have created, you can find the link in the description box below. If you want the link of all the 5 courses and tutorials, I will put the link of all the 5 courses and tutorial in this in the description box below. So if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends. Everyone wants to learn Java. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.